Hi guys, very good afternoon. I hope all you are doing really well. Guys, this is an ongoing session going forward, which is CyberArk Basics. After security basics and proxy basics, right? This is the CyberArk one. So guys, thank you for your positive response over the um proxy ones and the security terms like what is CIA, what are the security controls, right? So th again, thank you for your positive response, guys. So going forward, without time wasting, let's start the session. What is CyberArk, right? So this is a general basics that what kind of CyberArk we have, right? What are the components in CyberArk? Do we really need CyberArk in our organizations? So going forward, what is CyberArk? CyberArk is a security solution or information technology software, or this is an valuable IAM. IAM. What is IAM? That is Identity Access Management Tool, which helps the organization to mitigate the risk related to the privileged accounts. What kind of accounts? Privileged accounts, and secure the privileged accounts and credentials in an effective manner. So guys, CyberArk is the solution who can manage, who has capability to secure and monitor the privileged accounts, right? What are privileged accounts? The privileged accounts are those accounts who have role-based access provided by the organization, right? Let's suppose if an organization have multiple n numbers of vendors, and those vendors or organization has provided them to access the database, because the database data are managed by the vendors, right? So the access should be the associates background check, that what kind of expertise does associates have. So on that basis, organization has provided the access. That is called that is called privilege accounts. So such secure privilege accounts and how to manage and monitor are called as CyberArk. Means CyberArk is a security solutions who can manage the IAM. IAM means Identity Accessible Management, and have capability to secure, manage, and monitor the role-based access accounts. Next question. What are the components of CyberArk? So there are multiple components, but the most important are the PSM, right? And and PTA, right? PTA is the Privilege Threat Analytics, and next one is the Vault. The we can also say that Enterprise Password Vault. So PSM is the Privileged Session Manager. It keeps the user session alive and connected with the server with recorded user activity. That means how long the connectivity should be safe, exactly not safe, that how long the connectivity will be alive between the source to destination via CyberArk should be managed by the PSM, right? If any connectivity becomes break due to the due to the internet connectivity or any kind of network connective issues, that means these connections are managed by the PSM, right? So privileged session manager, the main roles and responsibility of PSM is to manage the connectivity from end to end with recorded facility. Recorded means, right, what are the tasks, what are the activities performing by the users via CyberArk. The task activity will be monitored by the PSM, right. Next one is the PTA. PTA is the Privileged Threat and Analytics. That is because some users may try to activate the malicious activity via the CyberArk. So such kind of malicious activities should be monitored by the PTA. That means the threat and analytics. Right. Next is the enterprise password vault. That means this vault this vault component encrypts and store the password securely at centrally one location. This is the main role of the password vault. So guys, these are the three components, main components of CyberArk. what is the basic difference between privileged accounts and generic accounts, guys? So privileged account means RBAC. RBAC means role-based access. That means role-based access control. And this is the individual user account. Let's suppose an example. We have application and only two users have to work, right? So we will provide the 777 access means read, write, and execute mode. This shows that these two users have special privilege accounts over that application. Now, what is a generic account? Generic account, mainly this account belongs to the department wise, right? For example, IT department, finance department, HR department, right? So generic account is not owned by the individual one. Many individuals can log in via generic account and same password will be managed by the administration. That means who are the users who who can in, right, who can enter via the generic account having same password, and the same password will be managed by the administrator, right? For example, uh, there was always a generic email ID for the customer care department, right? For example, uh, e- right, like for example xyz at the rate of customercare.com, right? So this is a generic mail ID, and because there are many associates who can serve this customer care department, so many associates who are serving this care department can log in this generic accounts via same password, because all are having the same the same passwords. So these are managed by the administration side. So generic account are not belongs to the individual users, and privileged accounts is the RBAC means individual role-based access control. That means whatever I am having the expertise, so that application or a software I have the login. This is the main basic difference between privileged accounts and generic accounts. The next question is, what happen if CyberArk goes down and incident happen during this moment? What would be the organization's actions against CyberArk, right? This question mainly try to ask that if CyberArk is not working and during this moment of time some hacking attempt has been done, so what would be the organization's intentions over CyberArk organization? So guys, as per the best practice, every organization have two nodes, that is a primary and the secondary one, right? If a first node goes down, then auto failover. Auto failover means auto switch will be done and secondary CyberArk will be activated if first one goes down. So overall business will not work. Uh, no. So overall will not goes down because one of the CyberArk from the primary or the secondary is up actually, right? So guys, overall our business will not goes down. However, in worst situation, if both solution goes down, then team to find out the RCA. RCA is our root cause and analysis. That means what is the actual cause of this incident. If problem persists due to the CyberArk solution, then as per the terms and conditions and service level agreement, organization will apply is liable to activate fine over the CyberArk company. This is the main one. So guys, in bigger organization, generally there are two nodes. That means both CyberArk nodes will not go down at the same time. These right, this is the first thing. But in the worst situation, let's suppose that both nodes are goes down, then as per the service level agreement and as per the downtime, as per the revenue loss of the organization, right? The client or customer will discuss with the CyberArk and definitely will liable to applying a fine. Next question is, can you name some use cases in CyberArk? Yes, some use cases are like protecting data, like password management, like insider threats, like user malicious activity, they are monitored via CyberArk, and IT infrastructure, that will monitor the IT infrastructure access management. Next question is, have you heard the name of View Infinity in CyberArk? Yes. What is View Infinity, guys? this is a solution. This is security solutions for PAM. PAM is the privileged access management and controls for on premises and cloud basis and a hybrid in environment. Means guys, view infinity is a privileged access management who have capacity to manage the cloud and hybrid environment. For example, there are multiple, I mean, access required. So via view infinity over a single platform, it gives us the facility to manage the users, devices, applications, and data at one frame. So this is the uh, view infinity role. So guys, thanks for watching. And how do you like these videos? Any kind of suggestion or concerns? Kindly reach out to me via chat or comment section, guys. Thank you so much.